Hello, hello, hello. So, I managed to make some decent progress already today. It's not working exactly the way I want to, but the premise is basically there. So, the game world starts empty, and we just have one main spline in the system. The first spline in the system always has to uh, be the main spline, but we can draw more splines after that. As you can see, there's no player actor in the scene. When we press play, the game mode spawns a player actor and assigns it to the spline. There's no movement controls as of yet, but you can see that it's moving along that spline on start. The way that I pulled this off was a little bit tricky, um, and it's a little bit of a dodge at the moment. So I made a new function called set player location on start. So when the game starts, it gets all actors of class. It looks for the player actor, and the one that's 0 is the one that the game state spawns on start. It gets its transform and sets it to the start of the spline, and it outputs the player actor, and then inside of that player actor, it then uh, adds it into the spline logic. Um, so we've got a new player controller and a main player camera manager, and this handles all the basic logic as the beginning for the desktop version, and then I'm going to have to make a switch so that it can set either a VR controller or a desktop controller, and the fundamentals of the prototype are done at that point.